In this video, we will show you how to select the correct USB communication settings in SignCut Pro 2 to ensure your cutter is properly connected. First, unplug the USB cable from your computer. Next, open SignCut Pro 2, click on Settings, then select Cutter. From here, choose the manufacturer of your cutter and select the correct cutter model. Now check the output device list and take note of the available ports. You may also take a screenshot for reference. Click OK to close the settings. After that, plug the USB cable back into your computer. Go back again to Settings and then Cutter. Look at the output device list once more and select the new port that appears. Before confirming the settings, it is also recommended to check the baud rate on the cutter itself, if this option is available in your cutter's menu. Make sure that the baud rate on the cutter matches the baud rate selected in SignCut. If your cutter does not display or allow you to adjust the baud rate, you can simply use the default settings in SignCut. Then click OK to save the settings. To test the connection, click the blade icon and then select Cutout. If your cutter responds, that means the communication between your computer and SignCut has been successfully established. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more SignCut tips and